Hello everyone, welcome to online class in physics, and here I am discussing the chapter 9, that is ray optics and optical instrument. And today's lecture I will discuss about Planck's formula for concave lens. Actually here I am going to derive Planck's formula for concave lens, and I will discuss about linear magnification for both convex and concave lens. So in my previous lecture I have already discussed about lens formula and Landsmaker formula, and I have also discussed the thin lens formula for convex lens. Okay, let's start the class. See, okay, first I will discuss about the homework. In my previous class I have given you a homework, so first I will discuss about this. After that I will start my class. Okay, so here you can see it is the lens formula derivation for convex lens when it forms a virtual image. Now first question, when a convex lens form a virtual image, then what is the condition? When your object is lies between, or object is situated between principal focus and optical center. Okay, when the object is situated or placed between optical center and the principal focus, at that condition you will get a virtual image. It is virtual, erect and enlarged image. So here AB is your object and A dash B dash is your image. That is virtual image formed by the convex lens. Okay, so it is a convex lens whose optical center is O and principal focus is F. An object is placed between focus and principal focus and optical center. So after refraction, you will get a virtual image, virtual and erect image, that is A dash B dash. Now, first of all, for derivation, first of all, we will consider one pair of triangle that are similar. So here you can see the triangle A dash B dash O and another triangle ABO are similar. How? Because here O is the common angle and A dash B dash O equal to ABO angle equal to 90 degrees. So these two triangles are similar by angle both. Okay. So these two triangles are similar. So if these two triangles are similar, so we can take the ratio of their side. That is, I can write A dash B dash by AB equal to OB dash by OB. Okay, you can see the equation 1. Here A, B, O and A dash B dash B are similar. Therefore, we can take the ratio of their side, that is A dash B dash by AB equal to OB dash by OB. That is equation 1. Now we'll take another pair of triangle. Okay. Now which triangle are similar here? See, you can see A dash B dash and F. A triangle A dash B dash F and COF. These two triangles are also similar under same condition. That is, by angle rule, these two triangles, that is A dash B dash F triangle and COF triangle, are similar. So from these two triangles we can also take the ratio of their side, that is A dash B dash by CO equal to F B dash by FO. Okay, so it is our second equation. A dash B dash by CO or OC equal to F B dash by OF. Okay, so now see here in rectangle ABOC, you can see here AB equal to OC, so we can replace OC by AB. Am I right? हम OC को AB से replace कर सकते हैं. So here I am doing this. OC can be replaced by AB, then this equation becomes A dash B dash by AB equal to F B dash by OF. Any confusion, student? Is there any confusion? So we have now two equations, that is equation 1 and 2. And first equation, we have the first equation from triangle A dash, B dash, O and ABO. And second equation come from A dash, B dash, F and COF triangle. Okay. So we have now two triangle. We can now equate this to triangle because you can see from 1 and 2, the left hand side is equal. So we can equate the right hand side. So OB dash by OB can be written as equal to FB dash by OF. So OB dash by OB can be written as FB dash by OF. These two are equal. So what is FB dash? See here. What is FB dash? What is? That is nothing but the OB dash plus OF. So I can write FB dash as OB dash plus OF. Okay. Now what is OB dash? OB dash means image distance, is not it? OB dash is your image distance, OB is your object distance, and OF is your focal length. So from the figure you can see this. See this. U and P will be negative because if we use the new Cartesian sign convention, that is U and U and P will be negative. Why it is negative? Because they are in the direction opposite to the incident ray. Okay. So according to new Cartesian sign convention, we can write U and P negative, but here F is positive because it is situated on the right hand side. We are measuring it in the right hand side of optical center. So F will be positive and U and Q will be negative. So here now put the value of OB, OB dash, OF, and we get the equation like this. Now cross multiply. Now we'll cross multiply this. Then minus PF equal to UP minus UF. Okay. So we can write this. Now this can be written as UP equal to, just rearrange this. Okay. Now उसको सिर्फ rearrange कर दो. Rearrange करने के बाद क्या मिलता है? UP equal to UF minus PF. Nothing but nothing complex. Now we can divide this equation. We can divide this equation both sides by UPF. That dividing both sides by UPF, now we get 1 by F equal to 1 by P minus 1 by U, which is the required thin lens formula. Sometimes it is called lens formula or thin lens formula or lens equation or thin lens equation. Okay. So it is the required thin lens formula when a convex lens form a factual image. Is there any problem, student? Is there any doubt? यहाँ पे आप लोगों को कोई डाउट है क्या? बहुत ही इजी डिराइवेशन है. डिराइवेशन पे कुछ भी कॉम्प्लेक्स कुछ भी नहीं है. पहले वन पेयर ऑफ ट्रायंगल चूज करना है जो सिमिलर होगा, उससे उसका साइड का रेशियो लेना है. ठीक है. हम लोगों को पता है अगर दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है देन वी कैन टेक द रेशियो ऑफ देयर आर्म. ओके. सो हमने रेशियो ले लिया. रेशियो लेके एक इक्वेशन बन गया. सेकंड और एक पेयर ऑफ ट्रायंगल ढूंढना है जो सिमिलर होगा, तो और एक पेयर ढूंढ लिया, उससे इक्वेशन 2 निकाल. इक्वेशन 2 मिल गया. अब इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 को इक्वेट करो. इक्वेट करके साइन कन्वेंशन यूज करो, करके अल्टीमेटली जस्ट मैथमेटिकल कुछ स्टेप है उसको फॉलो करो, हो गया डिराइवेशन. ये डिराइवेशन बहुत ही इजी है. ठीक है. Now we'll derive the similar equation for concave lens. We know that concave lens always produce a factual image. Okay, we know that the concave lens always produce factual image. So in case of concave lens, only one derivation is there. Okay, so first of all, see the ray diagram. See the ray diagram. Here it is the concave lens. O is the optical center. What is F? F is the principal focus. Okay. O is the optical center, F is the principal focus, and what is twice F? That is the center of curvature. We know that a lens has two surfaces. So there should be two center of curvature, two principal focus, two radius of curvature. Okay. Now, we have already discussed in our previous lecture. So, see here. Here a object. Here an object AB is placed between center of curvature and focus. So, after refraction, we will get an image that is A dash B dash, which is the nature of the image is erect but smaller in size. That is erect, virtual, and diminished image A dash B dash. We will get the image between focus and optical center. Okay. We know that for any position of the object, for concave lens, for any position of the object, we will get the virtual, erect, and diminished image. So here we have chosen the position of the object is between twice F and F, and we will get the image between F and optical center, principal focus and optical center. Now, what is AB here? AB is the object, that is B dash is your image. Now, we will derive the same equation. So, we will follow the same step. Okay. First of all, we will choose a pair of triangle that are similar. तो देखो यहाँ पे कौन सा triangle similar है? ABO and ADISH are similar. Am I right? These two triangles are similar by angle. Because O is the common angle, and angle ABO and angle ADISH is 90 degrees. And we know that the sum of three angle for a triangle, the sum of three angle equal to 190 degrees. So by angle rule, these two triangles are similar. Easy step है क्या? ये दो triangle ABO and ADISH are similar by angle rule. Okay. So these two triangles are similar. So we can take the ratio of their arm. So ADISH BDISH by AB can be written as OBDISH by OB. So equation 1. Okay. Therefore, we have the equation 1. Now we have to choose another pair of triangles that are similar. Here, ADISH BDISH F and COF are also similar triangle because by angle rule. क्यों? क्योंकि F कॉमन एंगल है एंड जो A dash B dash F एंड OCF एंगल वो क्या है 90 डिग्री. सो ये दोनों ट्रायंगल है तुम्हारा सिमिलर ट्रायंगल. If A dash B dash F and COF are similar triangle, then we can take the ratio of their arm. So we can write A dash B dash by OC or CO, whatever. A dash B dash by OC equal to F B dash by OF. Okay. Now see, what is OC? OC can be written as equal to AB. Look at the rectangle OAB OC. From here we can write OC equal to AB. Okay. So now replace OC equal to AB here and you will get the equation 2. Now you have equation 1 and 2, and in both equation left hand side is equal. In both equation here left hand side is equal. So you can equate the right hand side. That means you can write OB dash by OB equal to FB dash by OF. See. Now what is FB dash? From the figure you can write FB dash equal to OF minus OB dash. Am I right? FB dash equal to OF minus OB dash. यहाँ पे लिख दिया. Then we will use the sign convention, new Cartesian sign convention. Okay. Now tell me, what will be the value of OB dash? OB dash is the image distance, that is P, and it is situated on the left side. It is situated on the left side. So it will be negative. So P will be negative. u will be negative. That is OB is nothing but the object distance, that is u. So OB will be negative minus u, and OB dash will be minus 3. And what will be the OF here? OF is also negative. Remember one thing. For a convex lens, focal length is positive, and for a concave lens, focal length is negative. Okay. So put the value, put this value, that is OB equal to minus u, OP dash equal to minus 3, OF equal to minus f in above equation. Then you will get like this. Now simplify it, that is cross multiply it. After multiplying, we get PF equal to EF minus UP. Or rearrange it like this, and dividing both sides by UPF, you will get the required beam length equation. Is not easy? It is very easy. Student, ये बहुत easy है क्या? बहुत ही easy. हम लोगों ने अब तक जो डिराइवेशन किया सब डिराइवेशन इजी है, सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस करने का जरूरत है और कुछ भी नहीं. ठीक है, तो हो गया हमारा लेंस इक्वेशन. लेंस इक्वेशन derivation हो गया both convex and concave lens के लिए. Now we'll discuss about magnification. मैंने ऑलरेडी जब मिरर पढ़ाया था, स्फेरिकल मिरर, वहां पे मैंने मैग्निफिकेशन ऑलरेडी डिफाइन किया था. सिमिलर डेफिनेशन यहाँ पे भी. What is magnification? Magnification is the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. That is m equal to इमेज हाइट बाय ऑब्जेक्ट हाइट. तो यहाँ पे सपोज इमेज हाइट क्या है? इमेज हाइट बाय ऑब्जेक्ट हाइट. तो यहाँ पे तुम देख सकते हो, ये जो मैग्निफिकेशन है, इट इज नथिंग बट द रेशियो ऑफ सेम क्वांटिटी. सो इट हैज नो डायमेंशन and no units. That is a dimensionless ratio, does not have any units. Okay. Now, first of all, we will derive the linear magnification for convex lens. Okay. So first of all, we will derive the linear magnification for convex lens. So we will use this ray diagram here. We can use any ray diagram actually, but here we are using this ray diagram. That is the first case where a convex lens form a real image. Okay, here object is situated behind C, and we will get the image between F and twice F. Okay, and the nature of the image is inverted, real, and smaller in size. Okay, now see, for convex lens, first of all, we have to take a pair of triangles that are similar. So here you can see triangle ABO and A dash B dash O is similar. Is not it? Here ABO and A dash B dash O are similar because here this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle, so equal, and angle ABO and angle A dash B dash O is equal to 90 degrees. So these two triangles are similar triangle according to angle rule. Okay. Now these two triangles are similar. So we can take the ratio of their arm, that is A dash B dash by AB equal to OB dash by OB. Okay, A dash B dash by AB equal to OB dash by OB. Now in this equation, just put the value. What is A dash B dash? A dash B dash is the object height. A dash B dash is the image height. And what is the AB? AB is the object height. And we know that the linear magnification is the ratio of image height by object height. Is not it? So here A dash B dash equal to, see, what is A dash B dash equal to? A dash B dash to H dash, and AB equal to H. And what is OB dash? OB dash equal to V, and OB equal to U. OB equal to U, U का साइन क्या होगा? माइनस. तो यहाँ पे just use the new Cartesian sign convention. What is A dash B dash? A dash B dash equal to minus H dash. Why it is minus H dash? Because we know that according to new Cartesian sign convention, any distance measured below the principal axis, that is downward direction, will be negative. So A dash B dash should be equal to minus S dash, and here AB will be positive because we are measuring it in the upward direction. So H will be positive, and here OB will be OB, that is U, OB that is equal to U will be negative because we are measuring in the left side, and OB dash will be positive because we are measuring in the right side. Okay. So now put those value here, minus H dash by H plus H and minus 3 by U. So minus minus will be cancelled. So M equal to H dash by H equal to 3 by U. ये जो मैग्निफिकेशन फॉर्मूला है ये वैलिड है फॉर बोथ कॉन्वेक्स एंड कॉन्केव लेंस. ओके, इट इज वैलिड फॉर बोथ कॉन्वेक्स एंड कॉन्केव लेंस. नाउ we can also derive the magnification formula in terms of V and F, and magnification in terms of V and F, and another one is U and F. That should be U. Okay. Now we'll derive, actually here I'm deriving it. So before that, we'll discuss the power of a lens. What is power? Power of a lens is nothing but the ability to bend a ray of light falling on it, and it is basically the reciprocal of focal length. मतलब क्या है power of a lens? क्या है power of a lens? है कोई भी ray of light को bend करने का जो ability है, कोई भी लेंस का, कोई उसमें अगर कोई लेंस पे अगर कोई रे इंसिडेंट हो तो उस इंसिडेंट रे को कितना बैंड कर पाएगा, दैट इज कितना कन्वर्ज कर पाएगा और कितना डाइवर्ज कर पाएगा, उसका जो एबिलिटी है वही है पावर ऑफ ए लेंस. ठीक है, एंड पावर ऑफ लेंस इक्वल टू द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ इट्स फोकल लेंथ. तो व्हाट इज द यूनिट? यूनिट इज डायप्टर. ओके, diopter. So one diopter is the power of a lens whose principal focal length is 1 meter. क्योंकि हम लोगों को पता है power equal to 1 by f. So if power equal to 1 by f, so क्या हो जाएगा? अगर तुम्हारा principal focus का लेंथ 1 मीटर हो तो हम कह सकते हैं इसका पावर इज 1 diopter. पावर, लेंस का पावर के साथ तुम लोग बहुत ही फैमिलियर होंगे, आई होप, बिकॉज बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट है जो स्पेक्टेकल्स यूज करते हैं और तुम लोग नॉर्मली सुनते हो उसका नेगेटिव पावर है, उसका पॉजिटिव पावर है, नेगेटिव उसका तो नेगेटिव बढ़ गया, उसका तो पॉजिटिव हो गया, इतना सुनते हो ना लेंस का पावर. तो ये पावर क्या है? पावर इज नथिंग बट द पावर ऑफ ए लेंस इज नथिंग बट इट्स एबिलिटी टू बेंड ए रे. मतलब कितना वो कन्वर्ज कर पाएगा और कितना वो डाइवर्ज कर पाएगा. ठीक है, सो ये था तुम्हारा पावर ऑफ ए लेंस. नाउ सी, नाउ we'll derive the magnification in terms of V and F. Also we'll derive the magnification in terms of U and F. Okay, see, now linear magnification terms of U and F. First, we know the thin lens formula, 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Now just multiply it by U on both sides. Multiplying both sides by U will get U by F equal to U by P minus 1. Okay, or U by P equal to 1 plus U by F. Now it will become F plus U by F. Now we know that what is magnification? Magnification equal to V by U. So V by U, that is उसको सिर्फ उल्टा कर दो तो F by F plus U. ये है तुम्हारा इन टर्म्स ऑफ U by F. ये एक छोटा सा डिराइवेशन है, एक बार देख के रख देना. अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आया तो आंसर तुम ऐसे कर सकते हो, जस्ट एक बार देख के रखो. नाउ सेकंड वन, मैग्निफिकेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ V and F. Again the thinness formula is this. Now multiply it by V on both sides. So V by F equal to 1 minus V by U. Okay, so V by U equal to 1 minus V by F. So here V minus F minus V by F. So M equal to, we know that V by U, so M equal to this. So it is the linear magnification in terms of U by U and F and V and F. तो इसको एक बार देख के रख देना, न्यूमेरिकल पे काम आएगा, ठीक है. Now linear magnification for concave lens. So for concave lens, we'll use this diagram here. Okay. Now again, we have to take a pair of triangle that are similar. So A, B, O, and that is B dash O. These two triangles are similar, so we can take the ratio of their arm, that is A dash B dash by AB equal to O B dash by OB. Now what is AB here? AB is the object height, that is equal to H, and H will be positive here because we are measuring it in the upward direction. Here A dash B dash will be also positive because we are measuring it in the upward direction. So here image height that is H dash and object height that is H, both are positive. And now see, what is OB dash here? Image distance. And what is OB? Object distance. Both are negative because we are measuring it in the left side. Okay. So similar here, A dash B dash positive, AB is positive, OB dash is minus, OB is minus. So put those together and you will get M equal to H dash by H equal to P by U. Okay. Now again, what is the power of a lens? We already know that what is power of lens. Now one important thing, we know that focal length of a concave lens is negative. So power of a concave lens is negative. And power of a convex lens is positive because the focal length of a convex lens is positive. Okay. So student, आज का जो क्लास था वो यहाँ पे खत्म, ठीक है. तो in today's class we have discussed about lens formula for concave lens and linear magnification for both convex and concave lens. I hope तुम लोगों का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसमें. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है, that is if there is any doubt, then you can ask me any question. Okay. So bye student, आज का क्लास यहाँ पे खत्म होते. Bye.